RCers. We have a new box on the bench this morning. Let's check out, see what we got in the box. As you can see, it says WPL Off-Road Racing Series Kit. Not the greatest looking box in the world, but this isn't the greatest of anything. Inside the box we have plastic body, hard shell, hard plastic body. That's going to be our new little RC truck. It's a military truck made by WPL. Comes with several parts bags. Comes with a motor, comes with a servo, comes with, I think the only thing you really have to do is get a receiver, frame rails, and instructions on how to put it together. Not easy to read, but instructions. For a blind person like me, could be difficult to follow. But we're going to give it a shot. So this is actually called the WPL B14K. It's a military vehicle. It's four-wheel drive, and it's a kit. So this will be the next project you'll see on Doug's Small World RC. I hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching. Next time you see this, we'll be putting it together. Thanks again. Have a good day.